Welcome back to the final video in the series for the Haskin Shellfish virtual video tour. In this video, you'll get to learn how the Haskin Lab is working to support wellness through the Scarlet Wells Connection Grant. Students applied for the Connection Grant to build a greenhouse container community garden at the Haskin Lab, with the hopes of engaging students, faculty, and staff in a common space while connecting with our well-being. The Clam, Crops, and Calm Wellness Champion Group has hosted several events throughout the year that help bolster wellness by teaching individuals about small-scale gardening.
It supported my wellness in a lot more ways than I had thought. Despite that I have a big hobby and interest in life science, I would consider myself an anti-green thumb. I usually had a lot of challenges in growing plants and some of my other crops, but being a part of this project and especially its events has really given me the opportunity to not only learn about a lot of the agriculture and farming that a lot of people in our lab do, but also kind of to feel inclusive in the whole process. So, socially and environmentally, I feel like these events have really benefited me, and I'm really excited for what they bring into the future.
I think it has supported my wellness by bringing me closer to my community here at the lab, both in staff and graduate students, as well as brought me closer to the environment by actually getting my hands physically in the dirt, by doing seed planting and learning about the different things that happen.
I would definitely say it would be the farm to table concept. Being a shellfish lab that we work in, we eat a lot of the shellfish resources that are close to our lab, but being able to go out to our garden and grow some basil and even some of our fresh greens, it brings a whole lot of joy through the whole process and really makes the food feel a lot more better and a lot more responsible in how we're understanding where our food comes from.
I'm really excited about having green space here at Haskin. We have water space because we're right by the river, but having somewhere where I can see plants and smell plants and probably eat the plants sounds like a really good idea. The Greenhouse by Hales Tanaka. The crunching of oyster and clam shells underfoot echoes between the plastic and metal walls of the greenhouse. The usual smells, fishy and salty this close to the bay, are drowned out by the scent of fresh dirt and greenery. In this small, humid haven, I am reconnected to the earth, to my food, to the world, to my community. I stand shoulder to shoulder with my friends, hands covered in dirt and smiles gleaming on our faces. Inside the greenhouse, emails do not reach me. Only the connection between humans and nature can penetrate these clear walls. The sunshine and the fresh air and the physical task of tending our garden together lightens my heart, frees my soul.
Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed the other videos that were in this series. If you're interested in the information that we showed within the workshops, there are links below in the description that you can check out.